In today's modern world, beauty doesn't have to hide in the dark. Self-doubt and uncertainty are no longer a problem. With the latest product from Uno International Company, more men and women can become confident. Uno Magic Cream with glutathione and collagen is made only from the finest ingredients of the Middle East, Germany, and France. Behind the product is the manufacturer's seal of quality, earned after years of perfecting their secret formula. Reputable award-giving bodies have recognized its safety and effectivity to give Filipinos the smooth and white skin they desire. Say Alonzo, singer, actress, and former PBB housemate, uses Uno Magic Cream to lighten blemishes and maintain her smooth and radiant skin all over.
It's hard for us to hide blemishes and dark spots because we always wear clothes that show our skin. That's why it's important to invest in a good but affordable product to maintain a healthy-looking skin for a long time. I need this for my job and also to feel good about myself.
Celebrity or not, Say believes that every person should try to find ways to look better and boost their self-confidence.
In every job, whether it's show business or sales and marketing, as long as humaharap ka sa ibang tao, you need to look good. And if there is a way to do this without breaking your pocket, then go for it. On the personal level, our family or significant other will notice the way we take care of our skin.
Inside each bottle of Uno Magic Cream with glutathione and collagen are 9 powerful ingredients. The advanced skin lightening ingredient alpha-arbutin, natural extracts from bearberry and chamomile, vitamins A, B3, C, and E, lactic acid that controls bacteria which causes skin blemishes, the anti-aging, detoxifying, and immune-boosting glutathione, collagen for improved skin elasticity and tone, allantoin and panthenol. Applied daily on skin, one can see the desired change in just a few weeks.
Paano yung application ng Uno Magic Cream?
Ginagamit ko yung Uno Magic Cream pagtapos ko maligo, pinapahid ko, tapos wala pang isang buwan, ito na yung effect.
Uno Magic Cream has no lead or mercury. That's why there's no irritation or skin reddening.
In this kind of job or profession na I'm working at, para bang you need to look good kasi para bang every single day of the week you tend to face movie people who are glamorous and beautiful and flawless, di ba? Nakaka-insecure kung mukha kang aswang na harap sa kanila. So para bang trinay ko ang maraming skin whitening creams before and I tend to become disillusioned kasi para bang hindi ko na-achieve yung gusto kong ma-achieve, di ba? Ang tagal-tagal, nakakainis, nakaka-frustrate. So, one day, binigyan ako ng friend ko ng Uno Magic Cream. I-try ko daw. It's very effective. It's so nice, especially on your face. So, I did use it at napuna ko na in a matter of, siguro barely a week nakita ko agad na nagkaroon ng pagbabago yung skin ko. Yung consistency, naging lighter and a bit smoother. And I feel good. Maganda ang feeling.
Bilang broadcaster, talaga namang dapat tingnan mo yung face mo dahil siyempre may mga listeners ka na gusto ka ring makita in person, di ba? Oo nga naman, dahil ang program namin talagang star na star. Kaya dapat star rin ako. At siyempre bilang banidosa, isang bading, gusto ko naman ang mga papa, hindi ako mapapahiya sa kanila. So try ako ng try, gamit ng iba't ibang whitening cream. Nako! Nabigo ako. Nabigong-bigo talaga ako. Naloka ako dahil walang nangyayari. nagka-pimples pa ako, ha? Pero nung ibulong sa akin ng friendship ko, ayan, si BFF Pete Amboloque Jr., nakasama ko din sa aking radio program, gamitin ko raw yung Uno Magic Cream, Mare. Aba, nung gamitin ko ito, naku, talaga nag-magic! Ang ganda-ganda ko talaga. Tinignan ko yung face ko sa mirror, ha? Parang beauty queen. At ngayon, ang dami ko ng papa. Namimili na nga ako kung sino ang pakakasalan ko sa kanila. Gamit na kayo ng Uno Magic Cream, ha?
No wonder, Filipino families have put their trust in the Uno brand. And with the newest member of the Uno family, Uno Magic Cream with glutathione and collagen, the company is set to achieve greater heights in making health and beauty accessible to more people. So don't forget, Uno Magic from Uno Company. Laging number 1. Kaya Uno yan.